Every day, tens of thousands of thoughts pass through each of our minds. These thoughts paint a picture of how we perceive the world. Our thoughts are a combination of many factors: our upbringing, life experiences, our social circles, our emotions, our physical needs, and so on. Just like our emotions, our cognitions vary across a broad spectrum, from pleasant thoughts and memories to unpleasant ones. In reality, our thoughts, just like our emotions, are transient. But it can be easy to lose sight of that reality when you consider how the brain interprets the information it receives. There is a direct connection between our experiences, feelings, emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. Our experiences cause feelings and emotions, which spark thoughts about ourselves and the world. These thoughts, in turn, can reinforce those feelings and emotions we have about ourselves. Over time, the thoughts we continually reaffirm become automatic responses, and these automatic responses become our paradigm. What I mean by paradigm is that over time we develop a belief system, an established way of interpreting both ourselves and the world around us. Not only that, but our brain naturally tries to interpret incoming information so that it fits within our already existing belief system. When our brain is not open to contradictory information, it will either dismiss it or alter it so that it fits within our belief system. This is why it feels so common to feel trapped by our thoughts. The way that the brain keeps patterns and streamlines information has been integral to our evolution as a species. But when our cognitions become so fixed that we self-identify with our beliefs about how the world should be, we open the doors for our suffering. Or we open our minds to the potentiality that it is possible to shift and evolve our belief system.